I'm extremely delighted to be part of this conference today. I really thank you all for inviting me to the opening session of TESOL International Conference, which you have entitled as TESOL in the 21st Century, Recent Trends, Research and Practices, that our MPhil and PhD scholars of Far Western University have organized. I really thank you all for all your effort to bring this conference in shape. I would also like to thank Professor Zaira Joshi, former Vice Chancellor of this university, for encouraging research scholars to organize this webinar. I truly believe that he is the main person who has made it possible. Together with the research scholars, we have put a lot of effort in organizing this. On behalf of the university, I would like to welcome and thank all the keynote speakers and all the participants to this program. I really congratulate the research scholars for bringing together a large number of scholars for sharing significant ideas on English language teaching and learning practices. Research is taking place in the field of English language, language policies, and the rapidly unfolding nature of English language from its British origin to the present context where it has been used, widely used as a global language, as an international language. And also, this, I believe this, in this conference, we are coming up with very many interesting issues like associated with the cultural politics of the English language and with the very many innovative pedagogic practices associated with the English language teaching. I really feel that this is going to be a very interesting sort of conference. I understand that paper presentations are taking place on diverse issues, ranging from language pedagogy to language policy, language acquisitions to dissemination, learner diversity to learner autonomy, literature and language dichotomy, language teaching, evaluation practices, along with all its colonial and decolonial status of the English language, and how the English language, what shape the English language is taking place right now. I'm sure that participants will gain enriching experience from this webinar, and I wish that MPhil PhD scholars bring into publication the papers presented in this seminar and make them accessible to the wider range of readers. I once again congratulate the organizers and the scholars who gave their time and put their effort to organize this event. I hope that you will have very extremely fruitful and engaging deliberations in these 2 days, today and tomorrow. And Far Western University is very happy to see that the research scholars are organizing this type of event where we do have a very wide sort of participation from over 30 countries, scholars from all over the globe, rather, I should say, are participating in it. And this is almost the beginning, I should say. And in the coming days, this year, we are organizing a number of important events. And the second event will be organized from June 8 to 10. We are having the Summer Institute for a scholarly publication, actually. And we are having scholars from the US and Nepal who will be conducting this workshop seminar for 2 days on the entire practice of a publication, scholarly publication, academic publication. So I really invite you all for that event too. And then in December, uh, from December 13 to 15 this year, we are organizing an international conference, which we and the conference is on Sudur Paschim Studies, Heritage, Innovation, and Transformation. That's the title of the conference. Sudur Paschim Studies, Heritage, Innovation, and Transformation. We want to create a discourse on far west, actually, this province. I really invite you all to these two big events which are successively really taking place. I once again thank you all for today's and tomorrow's this conference. Thank you so much. Thank you.